Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Selkirk Amped Pickleball Paddle. This fiberglass pickleball paddle pioneering an entirely new technology, never before seen in the pickleball industry. The Amped paddle combines a state-of-the-art FiberFlex fiberglass face with a thicker polypropylene X5 core providing optimal ball cushioning. The sleek fiberglass surface generates unmatched ball spin, and diffuses your opponent's spin effortlessly and accurately. More than the premier pickleball brand, these are pickleball. Every Selkirk paddle is made with the finest materials and proprietary, leading-edge technology. We're invested in creating and developing the best performing pickleball paddles to provide you with top-of-the-line equipment, fueling your obsession with the sport you love, and giving you an edge in every match. Built for consistent speed using advanced polypropylene honeycomb technology, the Amped revolutionary polypropylene X5 core reduces the amplitude and frequency of vibrational waves, resulting in a smoother feel. Number 2 in this best pickleball paddle list is Onyx Graphite Z5. If you watch any PPA Tour events, it's likely you'll notice Onyx as a paddle in a few pros' hands. While they have tons of rackets, the Graphite Z5 is a solid pick, thanks to its wide body, which means better chances of getting to those tricky drop shots. The Onyx Graphite Z5 is the most popular paddle in the Onyx line because of its outstanding touch and ball control. The graphite face and Nomex core give players superior feel of the ball, and with a total paddle weight of 7.5 to 8.2 ounces, the Z5 strikes a perfect balance between power and speed. The wide body shape on the Z5 is great for beginner through advanced level players with its large sweet spot. The Z5 paddle is perfect for the player that is looking for the outstanding ball control of a Nomex paddle, and a medium weight graphite paddle mimics the handle shape of a table tennis racket with a flared wood handle. Our third choice is Jula Hyperion Pickleball Paddle. John's official Jula paddle is loaded with a Carbon Flex 5 textured surface, a reactive polypropylene honeycomb core, and a specialized foam edge wall for added stability. Pickleball player Ben Johns and the PPA Tour, an innovator and global leader in table tennis for 70+ years, Jula teams up with Ben Johns to create a new line of pickleball equipment that will forever change the game. Jula collaborated closely with the world's player to design his new pickleball paddle. The result is a racket that gives aggressive, offensive players every technological advantage over their opponents. Jula's CFS technology utilizes a more advanced, durable, longer-lasting Carbon Flex 5 textured surface, harnessing raw power while providing maximum spin. Fourth pick in this best pickleball paddle list is PCKL Premium Pickleball Paddle. PCKL is making performance-driven, this pickleball-approved paddles with quality materials and clean design. We like the Power Series, as its large, sweet spot and rough grit graphite face allow for boosted, well-controlled returns. Designed specifically with avid players in mind, this paddle boasts an edgeless design with a larger sweet spot and consistent pop across the entire face to eliminate dead spots and add forgiveness to slash for miss hits. The PCKL Power Series is constructed with advanced materials, including a polypropylene core for impeccable feel and a rough grit graphite face for enhanced spin and optimum power. This paddle is great for powerful ground strokes and utilizes a corded grip with ridges that reduce slip. Constructed with advanced materials, including a polypropylene core for impeccable feel and a graphite face with rough grit surface texture for enhanced spin and optimum power. Our fifth and last choice is Pickleball Central Rally Tyro 2 Pickleball Paddle. The Rally Tyro 2 is a lightweight paddle for players of all levels. The Tyro 2 is built to exacting standards for performance and consistency. The small grip fits almost any player's hand and can be built up with an overgrip for those preferring more cushioning. The Rally Tyro 2 has a reinforced composite face with long-lasting, proprietary edge protection. Players will enjoy the excellent control this paddle provides due to the responsive surface and flared end cap. Absorbent, thin grip fits almost all hand sizes and allows for quick reactions and maneuverability. Flared end cap prevents slips and offers great paddle feel. Lightly textured surface makes it easier to control pickleballs and add spin to your shots. Improves players' placement and allows them to focus on strategy during heated exchanges. Core reduces vibrations yet allows for a soft, reactive touch. Resists the development of dead spots. Provides solid power during drives and control during dinks. For details, let's watch more.